Hi guys, it's Dr. Femi here from the Print Haven. How are you all doing? Today I'm going to be talking about best-selling corporate gifts for resellers at the Print Haven. Please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and leave a comment. I will be right back. Welcome back guys. Today we're talking about best-selling corporate gifts for resellers at the Print Haven. Guys, remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on your notification bells. You don't want to miss out on any video that we post. Leave a comment below and remember to like our video. So let's get right into it. What is a corporate gift? A corporate gift is a gift that you give to employees, clients, affiliates with your branded logo. So your logo is on the corporate gift every time. That's why it's classified as a corporate gift. Why do you want to give corporate gifts? It's so important. It's one of the most important things that you want to do for your company, and every serious company actually sets aside a budget for corporate gifting. Number one, you want to boost the morale of your staff and your team members. You want to create a positive environment in the office. You also want to foster better relationships with your clients. Guys, you don't know how effective it is to give a gift to a client. You want to keep your clients happy because you're going to maintain that relationship for a long time. And from your clients, you can also get several referrals that will lead to more business, leading to more sales for your business. With corporate gifting, you also will increase your brand recognition. Your logo is everywhere on all the gifts, and the people using the gifts, if they're mobile gifts, will carry it around, thereby increasing your brand's visibility. So you can't go wrong when you give out corporate gifting. So I'll give you a few examples of the corporate gifts that we have here at the Print Haven. First is the journal. Right? You can't go wrong with the journal. Everybody writes, and when it's beautifully branded, it even makes the journal even more beautiful and more appreciated. Better still, you can also personalize. So if you're giving to your employees, you might want to put a little note in a gift box, and you want to put the journal coupled with a pen in a gift box, coupled with gifts with drinkware as well, fully branded with your logo, and then you can personalize. That gives them a sense of belonging, like, yes, actually I'm valued in this company. It's very important to take those extra steps to make your team members feel valued and very important. The next gift that I'm going to talk about that you can give to your clients especially is the 3-in-1 USB. Guys, this is just an amazing product, and I'm just going to demonstrate quickly to show you how it works. Now, you want such a gift, like if the client is using something like this in their house, or they're using it in their car, the chances of other people seeing it increases, thereby increasing your brand's recognition. I'm saying this because this lights up. It's also very useful. So imagine you're in the car, or your client is in their car with their friend. They're able to charge 2 devices at the same time. Guys, like, it's a win-win situation. They'll be like, oh, where did you get this gift from? And then a story starts on how maybe your clients met you and what services you provide, and someone else is hearing about your business without you being there, without you even spending an extra dime to advertise to them. So this 3-in-1 USB charger is a lovely gift to give. At the Print Haven here, we also appreciate our clients, as you've seen with this lovely branded power bank. So a power bank is a useful gift. Everybody uses a power bank. If you have a device, you need a power bank. I don't go a day without using my power bank. It's not possible because I have several devices that I need to charge. So when you're giving your clients power banks, when you're giving your staff power banks, remember that you're fostering better relationships. There's nobody that will not be happy to receive such an important and not too cheap gifts from your company. It's very important. Remember, you also want to give them gifts that are useful, gifts that are durable. It's not something that they will use for one day and then throw away. It has to be durable. It has to be very useful. Drinkware. You can't go wrong with drinkware. everybody drinks water. You have to stay hydrated all the time. And at the print table, we have various options of drinkware for you to pick from. Remember also that your logo looks beautiful on drinkware, so it's very important. And remember that I mentioned that you can personalize as well. Now that we've gone through a few corporate gifting options, if you're interested as a company and you'd like to place an order with us at the print table, we're happy to help you and we're happy to serve. Please click on the link in the description below. Now, if you own a corporate gifting business and you need more options, you can come into the print table as a reseller. Or if you actually are interested in starting a corporate gifting business, you're very welcome. We're happy to help you here at the print table. Now, if you're a reseller, obviously we're not going to sell at the same rate that we sell to our clients to you. We're going to give you bonus discounts. We're going to give you the option of viewing our new products. We're going to give you a little bit of education on how to approach your client, how to conduct your sales and marketing so that you can become an expert in the corporate gifting business. If you're interested, please click on the link in the description below and one of our amazing team members will be available to talk you through the process. Guys, corporate gifting, as we had said earlier, it's a very important aspect of anybody's business, and we know that the corporate gifting business is a billion-naira industry. It's a billion-dollar industry across the world. So if you're interested, as I said earlier, please get in touch with us. You cannot go wrong if you choose the best corporate gifts for your clients, for your employees, for your affiliates, because you're going to foster the best relationships that will help grow your business. Until next time, guys, see you, and we'll be back soon.